Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I will be showing you on how to redeem expired vouchers. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem an expired voucher on Groupon, what you need to know first is promotional value expires, but paid or cash value usually doesn't expire in many countries. This means you may be still able to use part of it as well. So the first option that you can try is use the cash value at the merchant, which is most common. To do is simply head over, open up your Groupon application, then be sure to be logged to your account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on My Stuff on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on My Groupons on the top, and here select Expired on the top right corner of your screen. Then once you are inside the expired voucher, look for paid value or amount paid, and then visit the merchant. Tell them you want to use the cash value of an expired Groupon, and then simply pay the difference if the bill is higher. Then option 2 is ask the merchant directly. Some merchants still accept fully expired vouchers as a courtesy. You can simply call or visit the business, ask politely if they honor it, and this is merchant choice, not guaranteed. Option 3 is simply contacting Groupon support. To do it, simply head over back to your My Groupons or your profile page, then scroll down and then select customer support. And then once you're inside here, what you need to do is select using Groupons right here, and then select one of the options. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on mobile app or anything like that, which lets you choose the customer support. And then once you are there, explain the situation, like you have unused the code which is recently expired and merchant is available, and Groupon may offer coupon box or help in special cases. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. If this video was useful to you, leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.